Be honest. When you look in the mirror, do you see who you really are? Or the version you keep defending? The truth? Most of us don't need more motivation. We need to fire our internal defense attorney and finally face what's holding us back. We are all masters of excuses. I've been through too much. Success is not everything. I'm already doing better than most. We build walls of gentle affirmations. I'm enough just as I am. But here's the brutal truth. You cannot transform what you refuse to see. The person holding you back isn't your past, your boss, or your luck. It is the version of you that won't look in the mirror without flinching. In Chapter 1 of Beyond Broken, we meet the accountability mirror. Not a mirror that flatters you, but the one that dares you. You see, inside each of us lives a defense attorney, a voice trained to justify why we cannot change. It whispers, "You're being too hard on yourself. Life's already been unfair enough." Sounds comforting, but it locks us into who we've always been. The accountability mirror does the opposite. It strips away the mask, and it hurts. But that hurt, it's surgery, not self-harm. Here's the blueprint. Inventory without negotiation. Write 3 truths you've been hiding from. Brutal, raw, uncomfortable truth. Become your own prosecutor. Ask, how am I keeping this truth alive? No excuses, no context. Architect your identity. Imagine the opposite. What actions would someone who respects themselves take? Vocal commitment. Stand in front of the mirror. Say it out loud. Kill the whispers with your own voice. This isn't about punishment. It's about refusing to let your life be defended by someone whose job is to keep you exactly the same. Even champions do it. Serena Williams didn't justify her meltdown. She faced it. Bruce Wayne didn't bury his pain. He forged it into purpose. And Goggins? He didn't start by changing his body. He started by telling himself the ugliest truth. You're fat. You're weak. You're wasting your life. No gentle affirmations. Just a raw honesty that transformation demands. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, before you sleep, stand in front of your mirror and ask, what am I pretending not to know? If I stay exactly like this for 5 years, where will I be? Then share your biggest truth in the comments below. Drop a "I'm done lying" if this hit home. And if this spoke to you, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time. Together, we'll keep building resilience, not with feel-good lies, but with brutal honesty. Remember, the mirror won't show you who you want to be. It dares you to become them. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stop lying.